Do you want to make chocolate-covered strawberries for Valentine's Day? Follow along. Let's go.
Alright, if those look delicious, make sure you like and subscribe and stay for the whole thing. We're going to learn how to make it right now. So first thing we do is get a saucepan, put some water in it, turn it up about 3/4 of the way, and that's going to make sure that we have indirect heat for our chocolate. Then we set up our double boiler by putting a metal or a glass bowl on top of it, and that's going to heat up. When your water's boiling and steaming, go ahead and add your chocolate. I'm using about half a bag, about 7 ounces, give or take, and that is going to be the base of our mix. Then I want to make sure that it's melting just a little bit, and then we're going to sprinkle in a little bit of kosher salt just to enhance the flavor just a little bit. And then we add some vanilla extract. I think that gives a smoothness to the end product. And then coconut milk. You can use whatever milk you want, but if you're sticking to some of your dietary stuff, probably coconut's the way to go. Each one has a different texture of the shell, but coconut's still delicious. Then once that's heated up, we just want to make sure that we stir. We don't want our chocolate to separate, but we do want it to be a nice liquid. But it's going to be a little bit thicker for strawberries. You want it thicker than you probably think you need to, and that's going to give an appropriate coating. And if it looks like that, you did it right. So with that in mind, we're going to grab our strawberries now, and again, wash them before you do this and let them dry. But you take the green part and you push it all up toward the top, grab it by that, so you don't have to get your hands messy while you do this, and that's how people are going to eat them. So people are going to just grab from the top, and you want to give them a nice clean place to do that, and it looks really nice. So roll that around in the chocolate, just get it in there. It's a really, really easy thing to do. Just dip them in there, and at this point, you try not to eat them too bad because they are still kind of hot, but the cooling, you can eat them straight off the pan. You can put them in the freezer if you're into that. The refrigerator works pretty well for strawberries when they're done, and that helps set the chocolate on the outside. So when you get that last one done, you got your whole pack done, you probably won't have much, if any, chocolate left over, and if it looks like that, then you definitely did it right.
These chocolate-covered strawberries are absolutely delicious. Worthy of a mess. Alright, well, don't get better than that. Hope that was recording.